Imagine making money online in just a few hours a day. No special skills, no upfront costs, and results faster than you ever thought possible. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, and I'll show you exactly how it works. Hi everyone. Welcome back to MoneyWise, your go-to channel for smart money tips and strategies. Today, I'm sharing an incredibly simple yet effective trick to start making money online, fast. And trust me, this is something anyone can do, even if you're just starting out. Whether you're looking to pay off debts, save for a big purchase, or just create some extra breathing room in your budget, this method could be a game changer. So grab a notepad and let's dive in. Understand the trick. The one trick we're focusing on today is microtasking. Companies and platforms are willing to pay you for completing small, simple tasks online. Think data entry, surveys, transcription, or even categorizing photos. These tasks take minutes to complete, and you can do them from anywhere. The best part? You don't need any prior experience. All you need is a device with an internet connection. Microtasking is perfect for those who want flexibility. Imagine earning money while watching your favorite shows, or even while traveling. With the right platforms, you can start earning almost immediately. Now, let's explore how to get started and the key to unlocking its full potential. Choose the right platforms. Here are some of the top platforms to get started. Amazon Mechanical Turk, perfect for quick tasks like surveys and data validation. This platform has been around for years and is a trusted option for those dipping their toes into microtasking. Clickworker offers a variety of jobs, from writing to photo tagging. It's a great way to explore different types of tasks and find what you enjoy most. Appen focuses on transcription and language-based tasks. If you're good with languages or have sharp listening skills, Appen is an excellent choice. These platforms are beginner-friendly and free to sign up. Spend a little time familiarizing yourself with each one to determine which aligns with your interests and goals. Don't overwhelm yourself by signing up for too many platforms initially. Start with one or two. Set yourself up for success. Now, here's how you maximize your earnings. Start small. Begin with easier tasks to get comfortable. These will help you understand the process and boost your confidence. Be consistent. Dedicate an hour or two daily to build momentum. Regularity is key in microtasking. Read instructions carefully. Accuracy is vital to earning good ratings. Many platforms evaluate you based on how well you follow instructions, so take your time. Cash out strategically. Some platforms have thresholds for payouts, so plan accordingly. For example, Amazon Mechanical Turk may require you to reach a certain balance before you can withdraw funds. Once you complete a few tasks successfully, you'll notice how intuitive it becomes. The faster and more accurate you are, the better your opportunities for higher paying tasks. Tips for staying motivated. Let's face it, working online can sometimes feel isolating or repetitive. Here are some tips to keep yourself motivated. Set clear goals. Decide how much money you want to make each day or week. Whether it's an extra $10 or $100, having a goal will drive you. Create a comfortable workspace. A clutter-free and distraction-free zone can boost your focus. Even a small corner with good lighting can make a difference. Track your progress. Use a notebook or an app to log your earnings and milestones. This habit will show you how far you've come and inspire you to keep going. Celebrate small wins. Reward yourself when you hit a target. It could be as simple as enjoying your favorite treat or taking a well-deserved break. When you approach microtasking with a positive mindset, it becomes more than just a side hustle. It becomes a rewarding part of your daily routine. Scale it up. Once you're familiar with the process, consider scaling up. Look for higher-paying tasks or projects that match your interests. Some platforms even offer bonuses for consistent performance. For example, If you've been completing basic surveys, you might start exploring transcription projects or website testing gigs. These typically pay more and help you build your skills. Here's an insider tip. Check for tasks during peak hours when platforms are more likely to post new opportunities. Additionally, some platforms reward top performers with exclusive or higher-paying gigs. Keep your performance metrics high to unlock these perks. Common mistakes to avoid. Before you start, let's quickly cover some common mistakes that can slow you down. Not reading instructions carefully. Mistakes can lead to lower ratings. Always take a few extra seconds to double-check task requirements. Overcommitting. Don't take on too many tasks at once. It's better to complete fewer tasks with high accuracy than rush through many and risk errors. Ignoring reviews. Some platforms allow you to rate jobs. Use this feature to choose the best paying and most reliable tasks. By avoiding these pitfalls, you'll save time and maximize your earnings. It's about working smarter, not harder. Real stories, real results. Let me share a quick success story. One of our viewers, Sarah, started with basic transcription tasks on Appen. Within 3 months, she was earning $500 a month, working just a couple of hours a day. She said it was a lifesaver during tough financial times. Your story could be next. The only way to know is to start. To wrap it up, remember, the key is to stay consistent and focused. Microtasking may not make you rich overnight, but it's a fantastic way to earn quick cash while building an online income stream. So, what are you waiting for? Check out the platforms I mentioned and start earning today. And don't forget to share your progress in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it works out for you. Subscribe to MoneyWise for more tips and tricks to grow your income. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend.